1, 2, let's go.
Well, in North Carolina, way back in the hills, lived my old pappy and he had him a steel. He brewed white lightning till the sun went down. He filled him a jug and he passed it around. Mighty, mighty pleased, the pappy's gonna squeeze it. Ooh, white lightning. Well, the G-Man and the revenues too, searching for the place where they made his brew. They were looking, trying to book it, but my pappy kept a cooking. Ooh, white lightning. White line instead of Mountain Dew. I took a little sip and right away I knew, because my eyes bugged down and my face turned blue. Lightning started flashing, thunder started crashing. Ooh, white lightning. Well, the G-Men and revenues too, searching for the place where they made his brew. They were looking, trying to book it, but my pappy kept a cooking. Ooh, white lightning. Well, the city slicker came and he said, I'm tough. I think I want to taste that powerful stuff. He took Lawrence's blood and he drank it right down. I heard him a moaning as he hit the ground. Thunder started crashing, lightning started flashing. Ooh, white lightning. Well, the G-Men and revenues too, searching for the place where they made his brew. They were looking, trying to book it, but my pappy kept a cooking. Ooh, white lightning.